Hi everyone. Crème Brûlée is a rich, creamy baked vanilla custard topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. It is surprisingly simple to make, but perfecting it can be a little tricky. In this video, I'll share one essential secret to ensure your crème brûlée turns out perfect every time. Start by adding the cream to a saucepan. Split a vanilla bean in half, scrape out the seeds, and add both the seeds and the pot to the cream. Heat the mixture until it's steaming hot, but be careful not to let it boil. Once heated, set it aside to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, combine the egg yolks and the sugar, whisking them together until well mixed. Gradually add the warm cream and vanilla mixture, stirring gently to combine. Avoid over whisking to prevent creating foam or excess bubbles. If bubbles do form, gently pop them with a whisk or strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Next, choose your ramekins. Ideally, use the shallow ramekins for the best results. Taller ramekins are better suited for soufflés, but any small oven-safe dish will work in a pinch. Divide the custard between the ramekins, then place them in a large baking dish. Fill the baking dish with boiling water, ensuring the water reaches the same level as the custard in the ramekins. Carefully transfer the dish to the oven and bake at a low temperature for 35 to 60 minutes. Remember, the key is to bake slowly and avoid overcooking. After about 30 minutes, begin checking the custard's consistency every 5 minutes. Your crème brûlée is ready when it has a soft set and a slight jiggle when shaken. This texture is the ultimate secret to perfect crème brûlée. Remove the ramekins from the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Then cover them and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. The custard should be thoroughly chilled before serving. When you are ready to serve, sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar evenly over the surface of each custard. Using a mesh strainer can help distribute the sugar more evenly, but you can also spread it with your fingers. Caramelize the sugar just before serving. The easiest way is to use a kitchen blowtorch, but if you don't have one, you can place the ramekins under a preheated broiler. Keep a close eye though. It usually takes just 30 seconds for the sugar to turn golden brown. Be careful not to burn it. When serving, your crème brûlée should be cool and creamy on the inside with a perfectly crisp caramelized top. Serve immediately, as the crispy sugar layer will soften if left in the fridge for too long. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.